Now we do 3 rounds of Ashtanga A. I will just give a quick demo of the variation which we will be doing. Now, throughout the class, since you know it's a vinyasa flow, we have a lot of chaturangas. Most of us or many of us might not be comfortable with chaturanga, but you can always practice that with the knees down. So, once you come to plank, just have a look at the variation. You will lean forward, elbows goes back, chaturanga. Now, you find this challenging, you do the same thing with knee down. Now, once you come to chaturanga, you engage your core muscles without lifting the hip up. You come on your elbow and we hold elbow plank. Then again, without dropping the knees down, you come to high plank, chaturanga, urdhva mukha. So always remember, you can always drop your knees down if you find chaturanga challenging. And now we work on strengthening your core. Let's begin 3 rounds of Ashtanga A. Come to the front edge of your mat, feet together. Roll the shoulders back, palms at your heart center. Inhale, stretching your arms from the sides. Lengthen the sides of your body. Palms in Namaskara, look up. Exhale, arms from the sides, abdomen to your thighs, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana, flat back, look forward. Bend your knees, hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Feet is hip-width apart. Exhale, chaturanga. Without moving your body, engage the core. Come on your forearms, elbow plank. We hold elbow plank for 10, 9. Draw the navel towards the spine. 8, 7. Press the forearms into the mat. 6, 5, 4. Don't give up. 3, 2, 1. Without dropping the knees, inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha, knees and thighs off the mat. Exhale, adho mukha. Hold down dog for 3 breaths. Every time you come to down dog, it's the time to re-energize yourself. Ujjayi breathing. End of your exhalation. Look in between your palms. Jump or step Ardha Utthana, flat back. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides. Lengthen up, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. This is the time which you work on building your strength. Come on your elbows for forearm plank. Don't lift your hips up, breathe. 10. Shoulders away from your ears. 9. Look forward. 8. Toes and heels in one line. 7. 6. 5. Your core strength is so important to build your upper and your lower body strength. 3, 2, 1. Without dropping the knees, inhale, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha shvanasana. Exhale, adho mukha. Hold down dog for 3 breaths. Feel the body. You're working on the strength of your body, improving the strength. End of your exhalation. Look in between. Jump or step Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. One more round. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Keeping your hips stable, come to forearms. Come on your forearms, elbow plank. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, don't give up. 6, push yourself. 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha. Exhale, adho mukha. 3 breaths. End of 3. Look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine. Exhale, Samasthiti. Separate your feet and your arms. Close your eyes. Stay still. Feel the body. I earlier mentioned yoga helps in physical health, the reasons. It also helps your mental health. Practicing yoga regularly, since we focus on conscious breathing, kaya sthiryam, stillness of the body, it helps to reduce the stress hormones and improve your mental health. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes.